Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Inspired by R&R. Today we are going to be trying to see if we can save money with makeup from Dollar General. Can you believe it? Makeup from Dollar General. I don't know if it's going to make my face break out or not, but this brand says that they're good and they're only $5 or less. So of course I had to go ahead and try them out. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Everything in this line claims to be cruelty-free and paraben-free. They have primer, they have mascara, they have foundation, they have eyeshadow, they have eyelashes. Here is my bag, as you can see, Dollar General, and I do come with receipts. The most I spent on anything was $5. Okay, before I put this foundation on, I just wanted to let you guys know what color I am in other foundations, because I know that's helpful for me whenever I watch videos like this to see what shade the person is. So in the Colourpop No Filter sticks, I wear the color Dark 175. Everyone I think knows about Fenty Beauty at this point. I wear the color 420. The Covergirl Full Spectrum, I wear the color Deep Golden. In the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, I wear the color Cappuccino. I grabbed the color Hazelnut in the Believe Beauty. This is the Pretty and Primed Stay Put Makeup Primer. I wish they didn't have those sticky things, because look, it leaves like this sticky film on here. Let's see if we can take it off. Yep, there goes the sticky film. As far as packaging is concerned, I don't like these. These are annoying. But the bottle is cute besides that. Look, see, if I put it on here, you're gonna see that. Look how gross that looks. But the bottle is cute. You get 0.85 fluid ounces of this foundation. So it's just a little bit less than, yeah, Fenty is 1.8 fluid ounce. So that'll give you a good comparison. Oh, wow. Maybe a little purple. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Then we're gonna go in with this gold looking stuff. Oh, shoot. Look at this. Wow, my eyelashes are beautiful. Wow. This mascara is the business. Seriously, like, my eyelashes look awesome. Make sure you get this if you don't get nothing else from this line. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you a nighttime look. I'm going to take my hair down and change my lip gloss and maybe put some eyelashes on. Be right back. Okay, I just put my lashes on and took my hair down, and now I'm going to try their, I think it's called a Velvet Matte Lip Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the color Cherry on Top. So I figured this could be a good nighttime look. So let's try it out. Here we go with these stickers again. Really don't want to use my teeth. And this is my final look, everyone. As you can see, I took my hair down and I put some lipstick on, and this is going to be kind of like a nighttime look. I also added some false lashes on there. I'll leave the description to everything that I used down in the description box below, along with the prices. And hopefully this video helps someone out who was interested in trying these products. I was pressed for time, so I ended up wearing this look to work. And it really did well. This is me around lunchtime in my office. I'm going to show you my favorites from this line. Of course, the foundation, this lipstick, as well as the lip gloss. I really like the lip gloss. And this mascara was bomb. It made my natural eyelashes elongated and really full. Okay, quick update. Just took off my eyelashes and I just got home. It is 5 o'clock. I started my makeup at 6 this morning, right before I went to work. I already showed you the clips while I was at work, and this is what the makeup looks like. Foundation. You can see there's a little bit of oil increasing right around here, but it's also summertime and it's storming here in sunny Florida, so it's really humid. As you can see, my hair poofed out, so that should tell you how humid it is outside. And this makeup really held up. The lipstick I really like. I've had this on all day, no touch-ups, and I ate breakfast and lunch and I really loved it, so I probably will pick up some more of that. And the foundation, I'm not mad at it at all because it lasted 11 hours. I'm about to wash my face right now because I just don't like wearing makeup that long. So I hope I helped someone that was interested in this line, especially since it's at Dollar General for $5 or less. You can't beat that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips. And until next time, peace.